Declamation Contest Level 1. Please give a round of applause to our contestant number... Fifth placer ba sabi ko? Sorry. Fifth placer. Contestant number 10. Chelsea Andrea M. Mendoza. To our fourth placer, is contestant number 7.
Yay!
Hideo B. Kobayashi. Congratulations. Our third placer is contestant number 3. Leonard Arthur S. Bornongan. Congratulations, Leonard. I think he has been joining declamation contest ever since he was in preschool. Our second placer is contestant number 6, Jose Antonio Marie A. Santos. Congratulations, Jose Marie. And our champion, I think our champion will represent the school in the upcoming Masiprisa contest. So, you better prepare. Our champion is none other than contestant number 8, Maria Andrea Isabel S. San Pedro. Congratulations.